Okay, good day. Today we're forging a PC on IRONSIDE.com. We're going with. Let's go for the most expensive AMD one we can go for. Because, like. Our, no, not Iron. Intel's kind of like mean with their processors and things. And just pricing everything about 10 million euro over what they're meant to be. Anyway. We're going to go for my dream PC, which would probably be the biggest one here. Yeah, let's go for it. Let's see how expensive we can make it. I'm gonna put like a bit of effort into this. We're gonna go for all because I have no sense in what's a component and what's a peripheral. Because actually, yes, I do. Never mind. Show all options. Hopefully that doesn't crash. For case, we will go for this one here because I'll go for this one, I guess. Do I want to go for this one though? It looks nice as you can see, but it's kind of meh. I like the green one, which is kind of spacey. For fans, we will go for the coolest ones. Nice. This is like extra nice time. Such nice. For cables, we will go for red ones. Or should we go for green ones? I think red, because I kind of like Doom Eternal and like all the Doom games, and they're red. So why is it? What? 2.9 gigahertz. You know, I wouldn't be mad if I went for this one. We're going for this one. Why is it so much more expensive? I don't see any, like. We're going for this cool thermal compound. I just don't understand so much of the money. Oh god, this one might not. It's gonna take 4 years to load, isn't it? We want some RGB LED strips. Because we're gamers with the Y and no M. That made no sense. Processor. Should we go for the biggest one possible? Yes. Even though it's doing 2.9 gigahertz, it should destroy everything. 8 times 16. Why don't we go for this one? So we can add more later on, eh? Like, yeah, might as well. For storage, we shall go for at least 1 terabyte of coolness, which is cool, I guess. And for this, 2 terabytes. Okay. Neato. For this, I guess. Close that. For this, no. For this, though, what do we have right here? 2080, if that is fine. For this, sure. Okie dokie. For this, game capture HD Pro. Why not? We're going for expensive. We can go expensive. And the sound card. Audio is nice. Networking. It will be cool because that's like a 1300, and so is the Hayabusa. So it has to be fast. Isn't the Hayabusa 1300 cc? Or is it 999? Someone will know. Comment below if you know. Pro. This PC can only take Pro. If you go for anything under Pro, it'll be like, this is a weak sauce. This is an imp compared to a that other person who's kind of hard to beat and do eternal. I'm not good. 1 year defense thingy, noise reduction, because you don't want a friggin' turbine going off in your house at 2 a.m. That is unless you live in the woods, like I probably will, because people kind of suck. And yeah, I want to sit as fast as possible. Tech support is always nice. Video demonstration to show how awfully rich I am and how much money I will have only in my dreams. 6 years. Wait, why is... They expect people to break their PC after 4 years. Or after... Live chat! Oh boy, that sucks. I would. But I think I'd be doing something bad. 1 year repair, because honestly, I will probably become something of a... Is it technician? I don't know. I'm not big brain enough for this. Markiplier would know instantly though, because he's a cool person and he's big brain. Because he's big brain me. No, I already have a mouse. No, I have a mouse pad also. No keyboard. I have one here that's RGB. No controller. I can buy one in the future. When I'm... Triple... Is there one of these but black? I want black. Triple Asus one. These, but in black color. Or dark. Whatever. Have it your way, Ironside. Have it your way! Why can't we have like 37-inch monitors? Just one of them would be a pretty darn epic gamer moment. I don't love wireless, so we're going to go for these HyperX Cloud 9 PPs. And we're going for this Blue Yeti Blackout, because the mic I'm using now is a literal potato, and we paid 10,000. Okay. Stream webcam. Yeah. I mean, I prefer the one above it, because it looks kind of cool. Or whatever. No beanie for me. I wear hoods, and put my headphones over the hoodie. But yeah, so I don't wear anything like those. I don't wear, well, I do wear t-shirts, but we're gonna go for one of these because I like baggy clothing. And that is it. Oh, my speakers. Yeah, how do I forget my speakers? Subwoofers. Yes, that's how English is. And the Epic Gaming Drone. It's not a gaming chair, it's a gaming drone. How dare you get your Office software. I don't use Office software. Like, I use Google Paint or Windows Paint, whatever it is, sometimes, but not often. So yes, this will be this video. If Ironside's watching this, please. Yeah, okay. I will see you tomorrow with a video of probably some cringy and stuff. Yeah. I'll add music to the back of this so it's not completely quiet and boring, as well as no one wants to hear my voice in this goddamn microphone because it's absolute potato. So I will see you tomorrow. Eat some eggs, like, subscribe, share. Go visit Ironside. Link in description, I guess. Let's copy this. Actually, no, that won't do it. Link in description to Ironside's website and YouTube channel. Go subscribe to both of us. Goodbye.